So first I'm just going to do my eyebrows. On for that, to fill in with this eyebrow pencil.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
And then after that I'm just going to apply this concealer. And then I'm just going to apply it under my eyelid. And then just going to blend it. So then after that I'm just going to apply my Pond's BB cream. Okay, so with the help of this palette I'm just going to apply this contour on my face. So basically I'm just going to pinch this brush like this and then with the help of this flat brush I'm just going to contour my nose. And then with the help of the same palette I'm just going to pick this shade and apply it on my cheeks as a blusher. Okay, so then with the help of this Maybelline compact, I'm just going to, set my face. I'm just going to apply this compact under my... Okay, so for my eye makeup, I'm just going to pick this red shade and इसको मैं अपनी eyes की eyelid पे apply करूँगी. Okay, so then after that I'm just going to pick this brown shade and इसको मैं अपनी eyes के center पे apply करूँगी. Okay, so then after that I'm just going to pick this black shade and इसको मैं अपनी eyes की outer V पे apply करूँगी. after that, with the help of this flat brush, I'm just going. Okay, so then after that, with the help of this flat brush, I'm just going to pick this shade, and इस shade को मैं अपनी eyes के lower lash line पे apply करूँगी. Okay, so then after that, I'm just going to apply kajal on my outer V basically, and then I'm just going to smudge it. And then after that, from this palette, I'm just going to pick this golden shade, and इस small flat brush की मदद से मैं इस golden shade को अपनी eyes की lower lash line पे भी apply करूँगी. Okay, so I have applied these false lashes, and then I'm just going to apply my mascara. After that, I'm just going to highlight my face with the help of my Incolor highlighter palette. Okay, so to achieve her pouty lips, first I'm just going to outline my lips with the help of my Lakme lip crayon. After that, I'm just going to apply my Incolor matte me lipstick. And then at last, I'm just going to use little bit my Lakme lipstick. सबसे पहले मैं इसको डॉटेड फॉर्म में इस तरीके से अपने पूरे लिप्स पे अप्लाई करूँगी.